Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2012 question 3b. We will use angle sum in a triangle and the cosine ratio to find the value of y. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The question gives us that triangle PQS is right-angled at Q. Also, PQ equals 5 centimeters and PS equals 8 centimeters. We are also given that angle SPR equals y degrees and angle PRQ equals 52 degrees. We must calculate y degrees correct to the nearest degree. Notice that Q, R, and S lie on the same vertical line. Since PQ is horizontal and QR is vertical, triangle PQR is also right-angled at Q. Our plan is to first find a small angle, angle QPR. Then we find a larger angle, angle QPS. Since Y is the angle between PR and PS, we subtract the smaller angle from the larger angle. From triangle PQR, the angle at Q is 90 degrees, and the angle at R is 52 degrees. The angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So the angle at P, which is angle QPR, is 180 degrees minus the other two angles. Angle QPR equals 180 degrees dash 90 degrees plus 52 degrees. So this simplifies to equals 180 degrees minus 142 degrees. So this simplifies to equals 38 degrees. This framed result is the final answer for the question. Now use the bigger right-angled triangle, PQS. We want the angle at P, which is angle QPS. In triangle PQS, PQ is adjacent to the angle at P and PS is the hypotenuse. So we use cosine because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos of angle QPS equals 5/8. Five over 8 equals 0.625. Angle QPS equals cos of to the power of minus 1, 0.625. Angle QPS equals 51.3 degrees. The angle from PQ to PR is 38 degrees. The angle from PR to PS is y degrees. This is the same angle written as angle SPR equals y degrees, because the vertex is still P. The full angle from PQ to PS is made up of the 38 degrees angle plus the y degrees angle. So, angle QPS equals 38 degrees plus y degrees. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We already found that angle QPS equals 51.3 degrees. We also know that angle QPS equals 38 degrees plus y degrees. Set the two expressions equal. To find y, subtract 38 degrees from 51.3 degrees. This gives y equals 13.3 degrees. Angle QPS equals 51.3 degrees. Angle QPS equals 38 degrees plus y degrees. 38 degrees plus y degrees equals 51.3 degrees. 38 degrees plus y degrees equals 51.3 degrees. Y degrees equals 51.3 degrees minus 38 degrees. Y degrees equals 13.3 degrees. Y equals 13.3 degrees. Y 13 degrees. Correct to the nearest degree, 13.3 degrees becomes 13 degrees. Therefore, the value of y is 13 degrees to the nearest degree. To summarize, we first use triangle PQR to find that angle QPR equals 38 degrees. Then we use triangle PQS and the cosine ratio to find angle QPS equals 51.3 degrees. Finally, since the larger angle equals 38 degrees plus y, we subtracted 38 degrees from 51.3 degrees, giving y equals 13 degrees to the nearest degree. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.